Oh, easy. Oh, you did it. Da, 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 da. Now you got to come back.
Map.
Oh, she's waving at me.
Go to the other side. There's water there, right?
Yeah.
There's a turtle there, yeah.
Where's Turtle?
Right there. See him?
Oh, yeah. Hey,
So
Turtle.
walk across, Enzo. Keep balance.
Okay. Looks sturdy.
How you gonna want to practice first?
Yeah, I want to practice.
Sideways you're gonna do it?
I think the slower you go, then
No, you gotta go forward.
I can't do it.
come on back.
Don't stare at the water. Stare at the log going
Yeah,
across.
keep looking at the log. Look
across.
at the log.
I can't move.
Alright, come back.
How are you doing?
Whoops.
I mean,
Bob, you gonna try it? I'll take a picture of Bob. Is this a camera?
Yeah, it's on.
Huh.
I looked at the water and I felt falling.
Bob is sure-footed. Ooh. Oh, she's doing it. What's that little stump there, Bob? Don't trip on that. Oh, you got it. Oh, easy. Oh, you did it. Da, 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 da. Now you got to come back.
I can't. Is there another?
Is this waterproof? I'll try it.
No.
No? Yeah, I'll try it. Go ahead.
Look how much sweat I have.
Yeah, you're sweating.
What, Papa's gonna try?
No one brought a towel.
I don't think Papa's gonna do it.
Dad, don't fall in just for the camera. You're gonna smell up the
Please
car.
don't fall in.
Don't give me any negative thoughts. No negative thoughts.
Yeah. Okay. And so, all right, Barb. We'll see you down there.
Bob, you gotta come back. You know what? We'll take it on the way back. We'll build up courage. We'll build up courage.
I can't believe there's turtles.
No.
Bring it back. They might be snapping turtles.
Oh, this sign says more trees. Oh yeah. All right. It's about.
Right around that fire. Mom!
There she is. Okay, can you come?
Is there a stream?
She's still on the stream. She's
Can't get across.
no. Bug landed right on the camera. There he is, Mr. Handsome. Yeah, there she is. Hi. Yeah, we were in the sun a lot. Here, hon.
Kayak is drifting.